In this chapter, you're going to learn more about sewing tools and equipment. You will also learn about the sewing machine.
Needlework requires the use of some special tools and equipment which are categorized into two main groups. These are examples of measuring tools.
This is a long tape that has measurements indicated and is used in needlework. It is 150 centimeters or 60 inches long, and the measurements are marked on both sides.
This is a tool used for measuring small width. A sewing machine should be well chosen and well cared for in order to give efficient service and last long. There are three types of sewing machines. A hand machine is simple to operate as it is done manually at the speed of the person operating. Learn more about the hand machine. The following video clip shows the working of a hand machine.
We have different types of sewing machines according to the use of the method that is used for working on them. We have a hand machine whereby the worker uses the hand to run the machine. Use the hand to run the machine. It is the same one here, still hand, but the difference between the two is that this one makes straight stitching only. This one can make different types of stitches. Here I can show you from there. It can make different types because here this is where we change the stitches. This is the stitch selector. We select the type of stitches that we want to make. If you want straight stitching, they're from here. You set the needle there. If you want zigzag, you push it there. If you want big zigzag, you push it to this end. But you make zigzag stitches for you. But if you want that straight, you push it to the straight end.
Click on a button to view either additional information on the treadle machine or a video clip showing somebody using it.
Learn more about the treadle machine. Learn more about the treadle machine.
We turn the balance wheel, which in turn moves this rope and moves this wheel. That move, the pedal is maneuvered by your feet so that it can move in the treadle machine.
In the electric machine, the balance wheel is rotated using electricity.
You can turn the balance wheel if you release it from the bobbin and from the thread at the spool.
Learn more about the electric machine. The following video clip shows the working of an electric machine.
This one is an electric machine. It uses electricity. So those people who have no electricity cannot use this one. And it has different types of stitches. Also, you can set it to make zigzag stitches for you. You can set it to make straight stitching for you. And any machine that can do other stitches other than straight stitches can make very many things like making buttons. You can also attach buttons using the machine. So this one is the easiest because all one needs to do is to plug it on the socket. There's a foot pedal here. This is the foot pedal where you put your foot, not the hand. You press a little with the foot and the machine will run. Now the beauty of this machine is that since you are using the foot, you will have both, the person working will have both hands to guide the work. You use both hands to guide your work. And like the hand, where you have to use one hand and the other hand has to be used to guide the work. It's also not tiring because one can stitch the whole thing. You just need to place a little pressure on the foot and then it stitches.
Roll over each machine part to view its function.
Stitch width regulator. Spool pin. It is used to hold the reel of thread when sewing. Bobbin winder. It holds the bobbin when threading the bobbin. Balance wheel or hand wheel. This starts and stops the motion. It also controls the handle movement during stitching. Stitch width regulator. It adjusts the width of zigzag stitches. Stitch length regulator. It is used to adjust the length of stitches to the desired length during sewing. Bobbin and bobbin case. The bottom sewing thread is wound in the bobbin, then put in the shuttle. In most machines, the bobbin is put in the bobbin case before being placed in the shuttle or bobbin area. Shuttle. It is located below the slide plate and facilitates the locking of upper and bobbin or lower thread. Slide presser foot. It holds the fabric into place on the feed dog when stitching.
Presser foot lifter. It lifts and lowers the presser foot.
Slide plate. This is used to cover the bottom area when stitching. Feed dog. It is the device that pushes fabric forward or backward while stitching.
Needle clamp. It holds the machine needle in place.
Tension disc. It determines the tension, which is tightness or looseness of the upper thread when stitching. Thread guide. It is used for guiding the thread from the spool into the needle when threading. Take-up lever. It controls the thread as it comes from the tension disc when stitching. Arm. It is used to lift a machine and it houses the balance wheel and spool pin. Spool pin.